Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is it. This is issue 126 of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. I'm considering this to be pretty much the end of the build. It's not the end of the build. There are some extra pieces, another 4 issues, and then a continuation. But for now, this is going to be finishing the car itself. We've put in the final back bits on the vent. It shouldn't take very long. It's nice and easy to attach those in place like that, and that will hold the reactor base in place a little bit more securely. Then we can decide which reactor we want to use. I don't particularly like the SodaStream one, the Mr. Fusion, so I'm going to be sticking with the small base one. But well, let's see what the other one looks like anyway. So that is that. Looking at the big reunion, the big attraction. Back to the Future at the drive-in. They obviously showed it at a drive-in, made a big event of it. Yeah, no, I don't. I've never been to a drive-in. It doesn't appeal to me. The Lion Estates. That is the site of Marty's future home. Yeah, there we go. So next issue, we're starting a new thing. We're starting the plutonium case. There's 4 issues to build a plutonium case full of plutonium, not real plutonium, model plutonium. So we'll get to that next time. But for now, let's finish the car. So our parts today are final. It ends with plastic. It feels like it shouldn't. We've got the middle bit of the vent and then the bottom vent piece that goes on pretty much like that, I think. Sort of like that. Might be exactly like that, in fact. So yeah, both left and right, and some screws to put them in place. 2 screws to hold either one in place. So let me arrange the car so I can see it, and hopefully you can see it, and we'll go from there. Okay, I couldn't figure out how to do this, so I did this one off camera. And yeah, we'll attempt to show you the other one on camera, but it's not easy. The first bit is easy. That bracket just slides in there and sort of fits in quite nicely. This is the tricky bit, because this cutout has to go over the rim, the back piece. And then these bits clip in place, and one screw goes through to hold into that other screw on that bottom vent. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to do this on camera. It's basically like that, as you can not even see. Yeah, so I'm going to get this attached and on camera, off camera. But that is the final part of the build of the car. So I'll get this on, and then we'll have a look at it with the reactor in place. Well, that's it. The vents both attached on there. I know you can't see them from here, but trust me, they're there. It's all good. Then we've got the reactor. Now, the easy, nice one just sits on the top like that. I was expecting it to hold in place, but it doesn't. The other one is a bit boring. It goes on like that. You've got to take these 2 cables off to attach it. And then you've just got this big expanse of chrome and stuff sort of sitting there. It sort of fits it between there, obviously lower down. But it's not nearly as nice. I won't be using that at all. I'll just be having that one on there like that. So as far as I can tell, that's it. That's the car completed. Now, I will give you some nice glamorous shots of it, but not until I've actually finished the series. So join me very soon for the next part when we build the plutonium box, or at least we start to. I think there's 4 issues of plutonium box, and then the car is complete. So join me for that very shortly, and we'll see what happens after that. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.